Let's face it, rarely is there something that ruins your morning more than a bad shave with a bad electric shaver. Razor burn, constant charging, and a shave that leaves you irritated and itchy all day? Yeah, no thanks. Well, fear not, because I've tested dozens of razors, and in this video, I'm gonna go over my top 5 picks for the best electric razors available on Amazon. I'm gonna cover shavers of different prices, shapes, and sizes. So if you find one that fits your grooming needs, you can find them all in the description below. Now let's get right into it. First up, we have the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 shaver. A little bit more of a budget option. This razor is a great all-around option for getting a good quality shave for more of a modest price point. Their trademark OneBlade technology has the blade moving 12,000 times a minute. This razor is efficient even on longer hair, and its dual protection system and rounded tips make shaving both effortless and comfortable. It also has a 360-degree blade that is perfect for constant skin contact and control over the razor. This makes it incredibly easy to trim and shave all those hard to reach places. It comes with the shaver itself, one 360 blade, a 5.1 adjustable comb, a protection cap, a USB charging cable, and the manual. Although it only has a 45-minute battery, which may not be that impressive, but it is waterproof and it's ideal to use in the shower because of its compact design. I like to think about it as a budget-friendly travel buddy. Next up, we have the Braun Series 9 Pro electric shaver. Now, this is one of the best electric shavers to ever hit the market. With a new flexible Pro head, it can easily cut out stubble and fully grown beards. Its innovative Pro Lift trimmer captures and cuts flat-lying hair. It has a super unique sonic technology, which allows you to shave just a little bit faster than other razors out there. This razor has a very powerful battery, which allows you to get a month's worth of shaving on only 1 hour of charge time. And it doesn't stop there. In case of emergencies, it has a handy little 5-minute quick charge. This feature is perfect for any grooming emergencies, if you know what I mean. Now, being one of the more expensive shavers on the market, this product is built to last. It's 100% waterproof, and it can be used with either foam, gel, or even in the shower. It comes with the razor itself, a charging stand and a cord, a cleaning brush, a manual, and a leather traveling case. With 10,000 micro vibrations, this razor cuts as low as 0.05 millimeters. Adjust the power to match the density of your beard, so you know you're getting a close shave even on the thickest of hairs. So if you're looking for an electric razor, this might be the last one that you need. The Series 9 Pro is definitely a solid choice. Now, it's a little bit on the pricier side, but because it's such a powerhouse and it can cut a wide variety of hair, it's such a solid choice. The Panasonic Arc 5 electric razor is another smart, innovative electric shaver. It offers some more competitive features than some more expensive shavers on the market. With 5 angled precision blades and a thin foil that follows your face's natural curve. This is another razor that'll give you another quick and effective shave. It has a 2-in-1 pop-up trimmer, which makes the razor perfect for shaving and also detailing mustaches and beards. It also works really well to clean up those sideburns. Another cool feature is its high-performing motor. The Panasonic shaver delivers 14,000 cuts per minute, and it maintains its power throughout the whole entire shave. With a charging time of just 1 hour, this shaver lasts most people for days at a time, even with heavy use. Not to mention, it has an LCD battery indicator, which will show you how much charge the razor has left at a glance. If you're somebody who constantly travels for work or you just travel all the time, this razor is going to be your best friend. It has multiple pivoting heads, which just allows the razor to glide across your face very smoothly and effortlessly. Its built-in sensor also does a good job of adjusting the power to cut different thicknesses of hair and stubble. It comes with the razor itself, a pop-off guard, a charger, and a small traveling case, which makes it perfect for travel. For someone who needs a great shaver in a compact package. It's a little bit more impressive than the Philips OneBlade, but not as impressive as the Braun Series 9. I would say the Panasonic fits comfortably in between the both of them if you're comparing the quality and the price. So this makes it the perfect option for in between both of the razors if you have a little bit more of a budget. All right, now coming back to Braun, we have the Braun Series 3 electric razor. This is another budget option for those looking for a cheaper alternative from one of the top tier brands like Braun. The Series 3 has a 3-pressure sensitive floating blade. It follows the natural curve of your face, and it makes an excellent everyday budget shaver. So it has 18,000 cutting actions per minute. This razor cuts faster than the Arc 5 at a way cheaper price. It has a cool design where the middle blade cuts more of the harder to get hair, which allows you to keep your face safe from those annoying little cuts that happen out of nowhere. It also has a long hair trimmer for mustache, beards, and especially those sideburns. Now keep in mind, this only has 30 minutes of runtime. Now, even though the battery is the smallest on the list so far, it only takes about an hour to charge, and it also has the quick charge feature like the Braun Series 9. So the quick charge feature allows you 5 minutes of shaving for 5 minutes of charging. It's super easy to clean too. You just turn the razor on and put it under some running water. So yeah, that means the razor is waterproof and perfect for wet or dry shaving. And Braun recommends that you switch out the head every 18 months on this specific razor. But the shaver handle itself is built to last. With everyday use, the handle should last you about 7 years, which should do more than make up for its modest retail price. So it comes with the shaver itself, a protective cap, and the charger. If you're looking for a fairly heavy-duty, everyday shaver, the Braun Series 3 is probably the razor for you. Its efficient design and surprising amount of power makes it more than a great budget option. And finishing off the list, we're coming back to Philips one more time. The Philips Norelco Shaver 2300. This is another rechargeable electric razor, which is only $10 more than the 360, and it's perfect for somebody looking for something similar to the 360. The round blade caps over 27 self-sharpening blades, which cuts hair right at the skin level. This helps the razor glide smoothly across your face. The 3 shaver heads flex and tilt in 4 different directions, which helps adjust to the curve of your face, ensuring a clean shave. Also hosting a pop-up trimmer for mustaches and sideburns, the bulkier Philips shaver is best for clean shaves and beard detailing. Now, it only gets about 40 minutes of cordless shaving on an 8-hour charge. But if you don't mind keeping it plugged in, you can keep it that way for instant continuous power. Now, the 2300 isn't as compact or travel friendly as other shavers on the list. It can be plugged into most standard outlets for continuous shaving. I would consider this more of like an everyman's razor. Although it's not the most impressive razor on the list, it's a very solid and intuitive design. It can ensure a consistently high quality shave every time. It comes with a power cord and a protective cap, making it a perfect at-home shaver that does both close shaves and detailing. And that's pretty much our list. My personal favorite is the Braun Series 9 Pro. Though it's easily the most expensive shaver on the list, the power and brute force make it perfect for my thick stubble that grows after a few days. Now, if the Braun Series 9 Pro is too expensive for you, I would say go for the Philips 360 OneBlade. It's a great budget option that has almost as many features at a very good price. Now, if you're a traveler who's looking for a good quality shaver but you don't need all the bells and whistles, I would say go for the Braun Series 3. If you're looking for a good quality shave in a compact, travel-friendly design. And it's perfect for anyone looking to keep all their belongings in one bag or suitcase when on the go. Thank you so much for watching, and if you decide to buy any of the razors in the video, make sure to follow one of the links in the description to get yourself yet another epic deal. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to get more epic deals coming your way. And comment down below any products that you'd like to know any great deals for. We're always here to bring you the best up-to-date deals on the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.